Today topic 9 April. On 9 April, famous people who were born. 1287, King Edward II of England is born. 1856, Isambard Kingdom, Burnell, English engineer and Clifton suspension British designer. 1821, French poet Charles Baudelaire is born. 1830, Edward Muybridge, English photographer and cinematographer. 1835, King Leo II of Belgium is born. 1865, Erich Ludendorff, German general and politician. 1867, Chris Weston, Australian journalist and politician of Chilean descent and third Prime Minister. 1872, Leo Blum, French lawyer, politician and Prime Minister. 1893, Rahul Saskrithiyan is a well-known and renowned tourist of India. 1901, Paul Williams, American actor and director. 1925, Rukunuzzaman Khan, a renowned Bangladesh writer and journalist. 1926, Hong Hanifer, American philosopher and founder and editor-in-chief of Playboy magazine. 1938, Viktor Chernomyrdian, Russian businessman, politician and third Prime Minister. 1948, Joya Bachchan, Indian actress and politician. 1957, C.V. Ballesteros, Spanish golfer and architect. 1966, Cynthia Nixon, American actor. 1975, Robbie Fowler, former English footballer and manager. 1985, Anthony Nicolian, Italian footballer. On April 9, famous people who died. 585, Emperor Jimmu, he was the Japanese emperor. 491, Asif, he was the Byzantine emperor. 1553, Francis Ravel, French monarch and scholar. 1557, Michael Agricola, Francis priest and scholar. 1626, Francis Bacon, English philosopher. 1754, Christ Wolff, German philosopher and editor. 1756, Nawab Alibardi Khan, he was the Nawab of Bangla, Bihar and Odisha. 1882, Dante Gabriel Rossetti, English printer, illustrator and poet. 1889, Michel Eugène Chevreul, French chemist and educator. 1963, Ferdinand Tönnies, German socialist and philosopher. 1945 Dietrich Bonhoeffer, German priest and theologian. 1945 Wilhelm Canaris, German novel commander. 1959 Frank Lloyd Wright, American architect, interior designer, writer and teacher. 1917 renowned Indian Bengali chemist Gyanendranath Rai. 1980 Muhammad Bakir al-Sadr, Iraq philosopher. 1993 famous Iranian artist and writer Syed Murtaza Ayub is martyred. 2001 Shakur Rana, Pakistani umpire. 2009 Shakti Shimanta, India Bangla film director and producer. 2011 Sidney Lumet, American director, producer and screenwriter. April 9 special events. 1241 Battle of Lajinich, Mongol force defeat Polish and German troops. 4030 Henry V is crowned King of England. 4040 Christopher becomes King of Denmark. 4083 Edward I elects Edward V as the next King of England. 1609 80 years of war being with the signing of a treaty between Spanish and the Dutch Republic and of Antwerp. (1783) Tipu Sultan captured Bengaluru from the British. 1756 Nawab Sirajuddaulah or Mirza Muhammad Sirajuddaulah takes over the throne. 1872 Samuel and Prassi patent powdered milk. 1988 Latvia declares independence. 1928 Islam is recognized as a state religion in Turkey. And 1914 Operation Westerstrom, World War II invades Denmark and Norway. 1945 the Atomic Energy Commission is formed in the United States. 1948 Zionist Israel carries out a massacre in the village of Dryanis west of the Temple Mount. 1957 the Suez Canal is opened to all types of shipping. 1965, a border war breaks out between India and Pakistan. 1974, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan tripartite meeting in Delhi sinks the extradition of 195 Pakistan person of war. 1991, George votes to second from the Soviet Union. In 1997, Bangladesh cricket team qualify for the World Cup by defeating Scotland in the ICC Trophy. In 1998, 150 worshippers are killed in Saudi Arabia on the last day of the Hajj. Thank you every all seeing my video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friend. Thank you.